Hi everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. So, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you a lots of Schiffli blouse designs. These blouses are for summer weather. I hope you will enjoy these blouse designs, so don't skip the video, watch till the end. These are the Schiffli, or you can copy these blouse designs in other fabric like chiffon and georgette and cotton, also cotton. So you can copy your favorite blouse design and enjoy the design. So friends, if you are new at my channel, then visit on my channel for much more designs. There I have shared a lots of ideas in videos. I hope you will enjoy those ideas as well. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel. And if you like these dresses, then hit the like button. So friends, this was my today's video is related to summer blouse designs. I hope you enjoy this. Now let me say to take care of yourself and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So take care of yourself and your friends. Bye bye.